that old man a little shove because he wanted one. He asked for it. He was like, give me some. I'm sweatier than a mug right now. Look at that, is that date night? Date night, boy, you bald and old. Oh, Ferrari. What is that, an M3, M4, M5, M6? We got a Porsche up ahead. Carrera S. We got a Corvette right behind us, or two cars behind us. To the right, your left. No, you're right. I don't know. Maybe it's not a Corvette. Nah, it is a Corvette. See, old guy. We got a riding buddy. Chase the biker. What is that, a Ducati? Yeah. I want to lane split when the traffic is moving like this because people like him, they change lanes. I don't want to get hit. I'm not in a rush. Me take my time. Me happy. Me very happy. Me got nowhere to be. Me enjoy life. What's a Ferrari? Should we chase the Ferrari? Ferrari. I got a white girl, for she got no chicks. Ferrari. I don't know what type of Ferrari that is though. See, now when the traffic is stopping, I'll lane split. Come up, homeboy. Ride with a big dog. Yeah, I'm a big dog. Where he at? He vanished. I want to do that. Ooh, a Ferrari, another one. That's the one I needed to take. Ooh, Lambo. No, McLaren. Haha. Let's have some fun. That camera died. We only got this camera and the one in the back, I'm guessing. I'm not sure, but can't pull over because we'll lose the McLaren. For some reason, I'm thinking he's test driving and not owning. So that might just be a waste. So I'm thinking about cutting. I don't think he's gonna do anything. Well, that was fun. We at least saw one, right? I can't believe I saw this many McLarens. That's kind of cool. Another Lambo. Look at that. Why not? I love you guys. I'll do it for you guys. And the only reason he caught up, you guys want to know why he caught up? I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna tell you right now why he almost caught up. It's because the turn was coming, it was a red light, and I had to pull off the throttle. But we captured the Lambo, man, we captured the Lambo. Me no worry about no Cadillac, coupe, or whatever. And that was rain mode, huh? He was too scared to come up, though. I told him to come up. I went like that, but opposite. I went like that with my hand. Told him to come up. Let's have some more fun. But he chose not to. Can't believe I'm going down again for a Lambo. I see it. Catching up to it is something too, right? It counts for something, right? There it is. First bull. They're cute. I want the Lambo. Dang it! Someone else cock blocking me. Cock blocking? No. Motor blocking? Motor blocking me. No. R1. Should we say F to Lambo and go to the R1? I can't decide. We can't have any fun with the Lambo, but we can have fun with the R1. And he's driving super slow. R1's the best bet. My passion for girls is gonna be my downfall one day. Oh God, that is loud. The Grim Reaper. I don't know why I said that. I'm thinking about Billy and Mandy. Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. What is that? I don't know what it is. I want to touch them. Come on, baby boy. Oh, I think I know those guys. I gave them high fives. Like that, like that. I gave them high five, like, Why are you slowing down, homie? Am I supposed to go ahead? I don't know. You saw what I did? Cool, right? Don't ever do that. Where's my homeboy? I think I lost him. Yeah, it's been a long day. We done. We done, homie, we done! Is we done? We done. I'm done. Seriously, I'm done. I'm tired for the day. No more racing, none of that. I want to head home. And I want to take a bubble bath. I want to take a bubble bath. Bubble bath. Michael Bublé, a Bublé bath. I ain't calling them Bublé. His name is Michael Bubbles. Michael Bubbles, alright? I'm not saying Bublé. It sounds too feminine for me. Even though I get my eyebrows done and I get manicures and pedicures and all that jazz. I want a riding buddy. I feel lonely right now. Put it back in rain mode because don't want to act a fool. Don't want to be tempted. Even though rain mode's a beast as well, but